In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Zipbooks. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type Zipbooks and press Enter. You should see results that include the official Zipbooks website. Before clicking anything, take a second to confirm you're heading to the right place. Look for the official URL, which should be zipbooks.com, and make sure you see the secure padlock icon in your browser's address bar. That small check helps you avoid lookalike sites and keeps your data safer. If you want a faster routine in the future, consider bookmarking the official site once you're there. Go ahead and click the correct link to open the Zipbooks homepage. The site should load to a clean landing page that highlights accounting and invoicing tools. If you accidentally land on a help article or an ad, just go back and choose the main site result instead. Pages can look slightly different depending on your region or device, but the key is that you're on the official Zipbooks website before you continue. From the homepage, choose whether you want to log in or sign up. If you're brand new to Zipbooks, select Sign Up to create an account. If you already have an account, choose Log In. Zipbooks offers a few sign-in methods, so pick what works best for you. You can enter your email and password directly, or you can use single sign-on with Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn. If you're using email and password, make sure you type them carefully, and consider using a password manager to keep your credentials strong and unique. If you opt for single sign-on, confirm you're using the correct profile, especially if you manage multiple Google or social accounts. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. This is your control center, and it's designed to give you a quick snapshot of how your business is doing. Front and center, you'll typically see financial performance visuals that help you understand income and expenses at a glance. You'll also find quick access to invoices and expenses, so you can monitor what's been sent, what's pending, and what needs your attention. Take a moment to explore the layout. Notice the navigation menu, any date filters, and summary cards. These elements help you zero in on the information you need. If something doesn't look familiar, don't worry. Interfaces evolve over time, but the core idea stays the same. The dashboard shows your financial performance, invoices, and expenses in one place. And that's it. You've opened Zipbooks, signed in, and reached the main dashboard where you can see the essentials of your business at a glance.